50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 19. Unity in Diversity. Dear God, help us embrace our differences and celebrate the beauty of diversity. Guide us towards a world where all are treated with love and respect. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Surround yourself with positive and supportive people.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Volunteer at a community garden or start one in your neighborhood.
For unity for a happier world.
In unity, we can build bridges instead of walls, fostering understanding and cooperation.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find our true selves, to align our actions with our values, and to live authentically.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.